Hi everybody, my name is Ethan Roa, and today I will be showing you how to take advantage of the educational technology website of Kahoot. So today we're going to review what the Kahoot website is. We're going to analyze why Kahoot is a great tool to analyze an audience's understanding after giving a presentation or during a presentation. And finally, we're going to review the basic functions of how to get started and create and edit a Kahoot quiz as well as save a Kahoot quiz. So what is Kahoot? Kahoot is a website in which you are able to make online quizzes so that when you are giving a presentation, the audience is able to take the quiz. How this works is it starts in the top screen. The presenter will show this screen and start the Kahoot. The participants/audience are able to join through this URL right here that they just type in, kahoot.it. They enter the game pin, and then they put in their name. Once all the participants are in, the presenter would then press start. And then there are questions that come up that the presenter writes, of course, and so a selection of answers that are underneath. The questions can be timed, or they could end when the presenter chooses. And after each question, there is a poll that shows how many people answered which answer, and at the end, as well as shows the correct answer. And at the end of each question, there is a little scoreboard in which if you answer the right question, you get points. Speed is also involved in this, so the faster you answer, the more points you get. And at the end of the quiz as a whole, there is a leaderboard. Remember these screenshots because they will make a lot more sense when I show you how to make a Kahoot. So why Kahoot? Kahoot's a great tool because it can show how well the audience retains the presented information. If you have the Kahoot after the presentation, it kind of shows how the audience retained the information that you presented. It's a fun way of keeping the audience engaged because it is a game setting. If you would like, you can even have rewards for your top 3 finishes or first places, stuff like that. And lastly, it can serve as a tool to give the presenter some breaks while presenting. While your participants are answering the Kahoot, as the speaker, you're able to take a break, maybe get a sip of water or take a breath, stuff like that. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a Kahoot. So you will need to create a Kahoot account, and once you do, this will be your dashboard. When creating your Kahoot, you'll press create, but because I made an example Kahoot, I will show you how to then edit one. So you would go to your library, you would click on your Kahoot, you would press edit Kahoot, and it will take you, this is the same screen you will get when you press create from a couple of screens ago. You're then able to edit the type of question, edit what the question says. You can insert a picture or media, edit what the answers are, and then you could also edit which one is the right answer. You could have multiple correct answers if you'd like. Set the time limit for each question. Add questions. There's a whole different type of questions that you can get, but some require upgrades, which is a paid version. And then lastly, at the end, you press save, and it will save to your library automatically, as well as give you the option to play the Kahoot now or share it with others. I did forget to mention that the title is up here that you can also edit when you create your Kahoot. You would press done, and from your library you could press start, and that's how you would start. That's how you would get to the sign up portion of the Kahoot for your participants to sign up. So yeah, in summary, today we learned what the Kahoot website is. We learned why Kahoot is a great tool to analyze an audience's understanding after giving a presentation or during a presentation. And lastly, we learned the basic functions of how to get started and create/edit a Kahoot quiz, as well as how to save and access it later. Hopefully this presentation helped, and hopefully you are able to use Kahoot as a source of educational technology in your next presentation. Thank you.